Hey guys, Carrie Lynn here for SheSaved.com. Super quick, want to give you a peek at this room here at the Kimpton Muse Hotel, New York City. This hotel is amazing. It has such a fun contemporary vibe to it, and the location is fantastic. As you can see, this is a deluxe king room, and this hotel is the place to stay if you want to experience Broadway, Times Square, all of the New York City things. It is located between 6th and 7th Avenue. Fantastic location. Love the vibe, love the feel. I'm going to go in here and give you a peek at the bathroom so you can see the way that this is done. Really nicely laid out. Love the products here, the feel of this bathroom, just the whole vibe is so cool. That's a rain shower, by the way. Those are amazing. Again, just a fantastic location if you want to get to the city and experience all of the things. There you go. There's a peek at that again, the Kimpton Muse Hotel in New York City. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSaved.com.